Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making Easter Egg Thumbprint Cookies with my favorite organic chocolate eggs from Lake Champlain. These chocolate-filled eggs make these Easter cookies so incredibly simple to make. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees. Add 226 grams of softened butter, 170 grams of cane sugar, and 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract to a stand mixer. Mix on low until combined and then continue to mix on low and cream the butter and sugar until the mixture has lightened in color, which will be about 5 minutes. Add in 1 large egg and 383 grams of all-purpose flour and mix to combine completely until you have a stiff cookie dough. Using your hands, form the dough into 24 balls and place on 2 parchment paper lined baking sheets. You'll have 12 cookies per sheet. Using your thumb, press it into the middle of the cookie to create a thumbprint. Now we're going to bake these cookies. Yes, that's right, with nothing in the middle. Bake at 350 degrees for 20 to 22 minutes or until golden brown around the edges. While the cookies are baking, unwrap the chocolate eggs so they're ready. I love using Lake Champlain organic chocolate eggs as they have so many amazing flavors like vanilla cream, coconut, peanut butter, caramel, and more. You can use all of one flavor or you can use a mix like I'm using here. And if you want to make these cookies extra festive, you can melt 170 grams of white chocolate in a heat-proof bowl and add a pinch of beet powder to color half of it pink. Transfer the white chocolate and the pink chocolate to piping bags and cut a small hole. When the cookies come out of the oven, press an egg into the center where the indent has already been started for us. Continue to do this with all the cookies. Then you can drizzle the tops with white chocolate or with pink chocolate and top them with sprinkles. And if you let the cookies sit for a few minutes after you press the eggs into them, the eggs will begin to melt a little bit and then you can top them with sprinkles and they will stick to the top. I like to do a mix of everything as not all Easter eggs are the same. I hope you enjoy these easy and festive Easter cookies. If you want more organic cookie recipes like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.